You only have 365 days to create a successful year. 24 hours to build a better business. 60 minutes of opportunity in every hour. Only a few good ideas among a million business possibilities. And only one way to rise to the challenge. With the company that does it best. Online, on the phone, face-to-face. Be direct, Dell. We defined it and we continue to refine it. A way of doing business that eliminates middlemen who add no value. That responds directly to the customer with built-to-order products and services tailored to the customer's needs. It's why we're the fastest growing computer company in the world. Because no matter who you are or what you do, the most efficient path between you and the technology you need is direct. Open the door to proven technology. Systems that financial firms from New York to Tokyo count on for processing thousands of transactions around the globe. A company that enables global enterprises to make sound technology investments based on a customized portfolio of product, service, and support. A company that forges strategic alliances with crucial technology leaders. A research and development strategy that integrates the world's best hardware and software into our systems. And a build-to-order manufacturing process that can deliver technological innovations just in time, giving your company direct access to the best computer value and performance on the market. Open a window to new opportunities. Discover a company that thinks your computer supplier should simplify, not intensify. It's time to discover a company that steers a course to a single port. A company with a single point of accountability through a worldwide infrastructure. Consistent pricing and billing you can rely on wherever your business takes harbor. A single point of reference from which to schedule maintenance and support. A direct link to regional manufacturing facilities in America, Europe, and Asia that adhere to consistent build and test procedures. A global company at sea, in the sky, on land. The smartest way to connect the technology you need is to be direct. Let us take your budding entrepreneurial effort and bring it into full bloom. Discover how we can create a computer that is a direct response to your environment. A unique hybrid built to order from an endless combination of possibilities. Experience a manufacturing process that cultivates one product at a time and delivers an exceptional out-of-box experience. A product ready to plug and play. Because at Dell, we believe the customer should define quality. That beauty is in the eye of the beholder. We'll help you keep a close eye on the technology horizon. Whether it's a private business or a government agency, we can navigate a solution. Upfront consultation from a Dell engineer and account executive to chart the proper course. Configuration and system integration services that enable you to create systems that are a unique response to your environment, that allow you to incorporate proprietary as well as off-the-shelf software and hardware. Experience the security of monitoring and forecasting your technology needs through online purchasing and tracking. And when the time comes to implement those systems, we come to the rescue with a worldwide network of field engineers and technicians. Picture a computer company that hasn't forgotten that behind the corporations and the government agencies, it's ultimately the individual end user that frames and defines technology. And whether your business is flowers or finance, we recognize that it's our responsibility to develop technology that responds to your unique needs. Because like you, what we do isn't just our job, it's our craft. A craft that compels us to create products and solutions with an unerring eye for quality and customer satisfaction. Seconds are passing. Let us show you how the most efficient path between you and the technology you need is direct.